in today's video, I'm going to be giving you all a quick review of the, I think it's krator fairing. I got it off of Amazon, run me about $100, and I got the smoke one. Pretty good, I like the look. The only problem with it is that you can't see real good out of it. You know, you're going down the road, the sun's out, it's glary, it looks warped. At nighttime, you got the same problem, you got the same issue. You know what I mean? So it's not the safest thing for you to ride with. And then being that, I'm short, I'm 5'8". You know, people call me short, I don't think I'm short, but it is what it is. So I went ahead and got me a replacement windshield for it. Run me $110 from, I think it was JC Crew, something like that. I'll put the link to it down in the description. And I'll just give y'all my thoughts on it. I'll let you see what the bike looked like with it. And I must say, the bike looks super cool with the smoke frame, but then again, you know, do you want to jeopardize being able to see going down the road for the look of it, or do you want to be comfortable, you know, kind of look good and you can see? So that's just my take on it. I put down some miles with the smoke windscreen before I went ahead and, you know, had it changed to a clear one. I just put the clear one on there today, and I must say, clear is the way to go, man. So the replacement is going to be pretty straightforward. So all the bolts you got, take them out and go from there. And it's as simple as that. Those 4 screws got them out, and just so you guys can see, we cut this down here to get this bad boy to be able to fit, you know. So step 1 down. Out with the old. I won't get rid of it, I'll just put it to the side, and we'll be back in a second. So that's just a little bit of a mock-up. Make sure it's screwed on there before I decided to take all the plastic wrapping off, and then it didn't fit, I'd have a problem. So a little mock-up. Look like it fits so far, you know. So we're gonna keep going. Yep. This right here is the finished product. In all honesty, I'd rather the smoke screen, but safety first, right? If I can't see, I can't ride. So that's what it looks like. Before and after. Before and after. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Also turn on the notification.